Like record right now.
I have glitter in this one.
What it's doing? Just have glitter. Okay, so this is okay. I'm cold. We're outside right now. Okay, ready? Hey guys, Destiny, and I'm here with Shannon. Today, it is like what 5, 6 here in Nevada. So
It's like 10 degrees outside.
yeah.
This is a dare.
This is not a dare.
Well, yeah, we just wanted to make slime out in the cold.
Yeah, because well, who doesn't want to do that? Okay, so
Shaving.
oh, ow, that hurt. Ew, your glue keeps leaking.
Oh, I have to go grab the other glues.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Well, that's clever.
Alright. Just like be careful not to like make it fall. We set it by the door, by the way. Now I'm freezing out here. Okay. You can clearly hear me.
My dad said that we can make it inside at the table if it's not messy.
Okay.
So we'll place one of the top, the blankets.
Looks like we're switching location.
You have the white glue and these things. Okay, so here's yours. Yeah, mine was open, so. And then the rest of these openings. And then the glitter.
This is what.
That's borax solution.
Yeah.
And then now, we should open these. Okay, this one.
And then pour it in.
I'm gonna mix clear and white glue together.
So, this is the first time making slime. It is. Okay. Hook? Yeah, you can mix the glues together. Oh.
We're making a YouTube. Yeah. And they're two
Get
different.
off my finger.
So like white glue's heavier. No. You have to put it at an angle. Is that good?
Yes.
Then
It's
there's that.
all over my fingers now. What's next? Gone. Borax solution?
No.
You've never made slime before?
No.
It's fun.
You always want it to be really hot for your activator. Otherwise, it's not going to be like activated right.
Oh, what was I gonna say?
Easy. It's going to take a long time for us to die. Oh, it might be stinky, Dad.
Out. I'm just gonna like roll my sleeves up. Oh no, there's more.
I found a metal helmet. I wonder what Uncle Daniel dropped. Don't touch it.
I already know what that is. It's chewback. It's chewback. You know that stuff that you got?
Oh, yeah, I like chewback. I swallowed it.
What?
Okay, it's starting to unstick now.
Remember that chewy stuff?
That's different. That stuff that Uncle Daniel had will make you sick. That's chewing tobacco. That ain't jerky.
Oh. You chew it and then you spit it.
It'll make you sick. Some people. Me, I get sick when I chew it.
I don't know. Why do you keep? Oh, peppermint. I don't like peppermint.
What?
I don't like peppermint.
Well, that's what I'm making. That's the kind that Mr. Chad likes. And I like it too. And if you tried it, you would like it also.
Ball just like tried. It's all starting to like come off of my hands. Some's sticking to it and then some's like coming off.
No.
This is literally how you clean your hands from slime.
Jack.
Is you just go like this.
Jack.
Or that one girl that used to go to Kids Life, Haley. The one that always came to fun days. And then her brother Bradley.
So there's activators in my canteen.
It's weird because Bradley would always come out with the junior leaders and he wasn't a junior leader. Or a helper.
I made it like different.
Two parts.
So yeah, that's basically what it will look like.
Zeke's like, oh, snap.
But right now, it's just like white fluff.
Almost.
So now we can add food coloring into it.
That's not even food coloring, that's paint.
Well, we can add the paint. Whatever you want to call it, Destiny. So you want to take this. Otherwise, they'll like get all over the place, and you don't want that.
Lay down as well.
Imagine me just like cutting out the clip where you're getting it and it's just like slime time and shit. Okay guys, so we just got done making the first thing of slime, and yes, I changed my hairstyle because, well, I can't deal with that braid. But right now,
Because she got slime in her hair.
yeah, but right now she's like kind of fixing hers because we made some miniature slime while I got off of this. So
This one's mine.
these are the miniature slimes, and then these are, mine's the darker one, so you know which one's yours. This one's mine. We didn't test the glow in the dark yet, but we're about to really soon. Okay, I'm sorry. That's just really...
It's not stretchy yet.
You're dropping foam balls all over the floor. Oh, she resolved her problems.
Slime is how you pick up all your dirt.
And everything you don't want.
Like, you know.
This is also another way to like mix it. I'm just gonna sit and play the ukulele, even though I really do not know how to play. I only know a few simple chords.
Okay. So, or you guys can look at the slime making. This is the pre-made slime. Our made slime. This is the slime.
Yeah, without me. Really, really nice.
Purpose. Dude, I will tickle you.
No. I guess that.
Oh crap, they can't really see it. Here? You can't really see it, but her slime is glowing. Okay, so as experimented, mine didn't really work as well because I didn't play with it enough, but hers was like glowing constantly. And you guys couldn't see it because, well, it's like pitch black in the room. So I'm just gonna like play with my slime for a few more minutes or so, and I'll be back.
We'll tell you guys whenever we're done.
Yeah. I will tickle you. It's literally been a few minutes and it's still not working.
My slime's working. I mixed 2 of them. I mixed my slime.
Be quiet, Shannon. You can't really even see it because it's barely glowing. So, I'm disappointed.
Oh, mommy, mommy.
So much better. Ew! I feel like sneezing.
No.
Mommy,